Hello friends, welcome back to Extrago. My name is LD Watt and I will demonstrate how the BMI calculator works on Extrago platform. Okay, so let's start the program. Today you will learn how to create BMI calculator. BMI means body mass index. Okay, BMI calculator. I will create BMI calculator and I will host that online in Extrago platform. So let's watch the video. First, we need to open ChatGPT. ChatGPT, okay, BMI calculator. We need to create BMI calculator, okay. So let's do this task now. I'm giving a prompt to ChatGPT. Here you go, friends. Here you go, friends. ChatGPT. ChatGPT. I got the answer from the ChatGPT. Okay. So here you go. This is the head section. This is the head section. Okay. I need to copy this one. Head section is copied now. Okay, so let's go at the bottom. This is body section. I will copy the body section also. I have copied body section also. Now in the last I will copy the script, JavaScript. Okay, this is the JavaScript code. Okay, so now let's begin the hosting process. Minimize everything, open Chrome. So go to Google. This is Google, American search engine, Google. So I will search for Extrago. Don't go with the air result, go with the link result. First one, extrago.in, and from the menu click on sign up. If you are new, you need to click on sign up, but if you already have an account here, then you need to click on login. Okay, I will log in. I already have an account with Extrago. I will type captcha code here. Login. I I successfully logged in to my Extrago account. Now I will go to my website. I already created the website. I will just add a one page here in the website. I will just add one page and I will paste the code on that page. Okay, the website is tools.extrago.in and in the website pages section, I will create a new page. Page title BMI calculator. This is BMI calculator. BMI calculator and page name should be in small letter BMI and without space. BMI calculator. Okay, yes, this is available. Check the green box here. This is available. BMI calculator. The page will become BMI calculator.html. Okay, so keep other things same and click on the create button. BMI calculator. Oh, now let's find out where is the page. Footer normal, index normal, BMI calculator. This one is the page. I need to put my code on this. Okay, this is the page. Okay, first I will click on the setting option. I will paste the head section here. uh, Menu clipboard head section code. Yeah, you also need to paste your head section code here. I will paste the head section code here. Okay, wait for a while. Head section, I already copied head section. This one, yes, this one is the head section, but you need to remove the head tag from this. Only style and JS script can script become script meta, and CSS we can write here. We need to edit some code for a while. Okay, so here you go. Body, yeah, we need to remove the body style sheet. Okay, removed. Okay, now footer JS code here. Enter custom footer JS code. Now paste the code here. That is, I already copied it. This one, yes, JavaScript code. This one I pasted here. Okay, now everything should be same. Click on the update button. Data successfully updated, and we need to find out where is the page. BMI calculator, this one. Now we will go in add our edit code to put the body section code. Okay, so here you go. I need to paste here. I will paste from the clipboard. Okay, menu clipboard body section, this one, body section. Yes, remove the body tag from the beginning and at the end. This one, guys, you will love the BMI calculator. Created, guys, successfully created. Now test it for the output. Okay, normal, look for the page. Normal index, normal BMI calculator. This one page is BMI calculator.html. Now how to check the output? Go in the view page option in the at the bottom. Here you go. Yes, this is working fine. Menu, check out the menu first. Menu is working fine, but menu don't have any color. We need to write some style sheet on this page header section. Other things are okay. BMI calculator. Let's calculate the BMI. Okay. Interwait. I'm gonna try my BMI, body mass index. Okay. So to calculate BMI, you need to write your weight and height. My weight is 74 kg and height is 6 centimeter. Mm, centimeter में चाहिए 170. Calculate BMI. I think something is going wrong here. This one, this is the tool. This is calculating everything. This BMI calculator calculating everything. Okay, you need to write your weight and height. Weight should be in kg and means kilogram, and height should be in centimeter. I have no idea about centimeter, but you need to write your own height and calculate and press the calculate BMI button. You will get your BMI here. Okay. So let's fix the error of header. Okay, go back. Now we need to go in index. Okay, go setting, copy the extra go header section code, style sheet. Yes, we need to write this style sheet. find out your page. Here you go, guys. Page name should not be blank. Okay, page name should be BMI calculator every time we open this. Okay, now everything should work properly. Okay, I will check the page. Okay, uh, BMI calculator. Yes, this one is the page. I clicked on this. Yes, everything is working fine. Extra tools menu is working fine, and everything is working fine. This is the BMI calculator working very well. If you want to open BMI calculator on your mobile, just type this one. This is the URL tools.extrago.in/bmi-calculator.html. You can open this. You can also open this in your browser, okay, and calculate your BMI. That's it, guys. Thank you.